Welcome back everyone. Today we will compare two models and we will create this hill climb racing game. And the two models that we will compare those are uh, Minimax M2.7 which is on left side and Gemma 4 which is on the right side. The Minimax on left side and Gemma 4 on right side. We will put and ask from these two models and I have a prompt, already prompt, and I will ask to create this hill climb racing car. So let's ask from both of these, and on the right side you can see Gemma 4 and on left side M2.7, both are running. So on the right side you can see the result from Gemma 4, but the code is not inside an HTML file. We will just create HTML file. Ask that create HTML file and put all code inside an HTML file. On left side M2.7 Minimax, this model is running and it is creating a file and putting all code inside that. So yeah, that is generating the code. Now let's come here. I will just check. Yeah, let's wait for the Gma 4. Yeah, Gma 4 has generated and you can see the result of Gma 4. This is the result, nothing on the screen on the browser, just two buttons left and right and a plain blue background. Nothing will happen right now. So let's just ask back from Gma 4 to fix the problem. Okay, I can see the background is plain. I just shared a message and asked to fix that problem. On left side, the Minimax has generated the result and you can see the Minimax result. That is something very, the car is brick and it can't move and can't just jump on the hill, and the background is okay, but the car is just stuck on the in the air. It can't move, it can't do anything even by pressing these buttons on the right and left side. So it is stuck. We can just see the broken vehicle. So let's fix this problem also. Yeah, I'm just trying. I refreshed back and we can't see anything on the browser, and this car is stuck with first jump. Let's fix this. So I will fix back. So now let's come back to the Gma 4 result. I asked from Gma 4 and the Gma 4 is again the same as it was before. So let's fix both problem. I asked from MX 2.7. So the MX, M2.7 result is again like it was before. Just one tire is going behind from the vehicle. So nothing else happening. So let's ask from Gma 4. Still I can't see there is just plain background. It generated and the M2.7 is running. Oh yeah, the Gmapur result is okay now. You can see just the vehicle is jumping and it is rounding like a, yeah, it is just jumping. The vehicle just disappeared from browser. It go up. So it means that the result is not satisfying. So we will just ask from Gma4 to fix the problem back. So yeah, the M2 point generated the result and now we can see the vehicle is okay, but it can't move properly. Look at just, oh, it is just moving down and up. It can't move correctly by pressing the arrow keys or WSAD. It can't move. Yeah, just the distance at the top is okay and the speed is okay, but the car is not moving properly. Look at it, is just rounding, circulating. The car is just circulating. Yeah, just move ahead. Yeah, just like head just for a few meters. I try. It is not moving properly. Let's just again. We will try our best. Yeah, just a big shot by Minimax M2.7. A big shot. The vehicle disappeared in back to the up and down. So it means the answer from M2.7 is not properly okay. So let's move back to the Gma 4 and we will just ask and it will generate and fix the problems now. So come here back and let's refresh it. Let's move forward by arrow key. The right side, let's move, let's go. So that's okay. Yeah, that's awesome. The result is awesome, but let's go a little bit more power to see. Yeah, it is still jumping too high, go up and disappear from the browser. The result is not satisfying. We will fix this bug back and ask from Gma 4 that the vehicle is jumping too high, even disappear from browser. So it will fix this problem right now for us and you will see the result. So it will be insane. Yeah, let's wait for a second. Yeah, that has completed and fixed the bug. Let's refresh the browser and now you can see. Now let's move forward. You can just check that. Yeah, the result is insane. That is okay. It means that the Gma 4 is okay. The result of Gma 4 is satisfying just by asking one or two times more. So it will fix all the problems and whatever bug and problem we have. So we can just ask from Gma 4. It will fix that also. It means the Gma 4 won this game.